Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has unveiled a formidable 37-man preliminary squad ahead of South Africa's crucial 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers against Lesotho and Benin later this month. South Africa will first host Lesotho at the Peter Mokaba Stadium on March 21 before traveling to Benin for their second fixture. With 4 matches played in Group C, Bafana Bafana, currently sitting second place with 7 points, level with both Rwanda, who lead on goal difference, and Benin. Lesotho remains close behind with 5 points, while Africa giants Nigeria find themselves in a surprising 5th place with just 3 points, and Zimbabwe bottom of the table with 2. Broos has introduced new talent into the squad, including TS Galaxy's defense duo Khulumani Ndamane and Samukelo Kabini. Their inclusion reflects the Belgian coach's continued efforts to strengthen his defense options. The final squad will be announced next Thursday as Broos makes his final selections ahead of the crucial doubleheader. Full 37-man preliminary squad. Goalkeepers Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sage Stephens, Sipho Chain. Defenders Sydney Mobi, Khulumani Ndamane, Thabo Moloisane, Rashfin Dudley, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Aubrey Modiba, Deanna van Rooyen, Siyabonga Ngezana, Khuliso Motau, Samkelo Kabini, Fawaz Basadin, Grant Kekana. Midfielders Teboho Mokoena, Jaden Adams, Batusi Obas, Sinoxolo Gwaiba, Ndamulelo Maphangule, Luke Leroux, Spesihle Mkhize, Talente Mbatha. Forwards Evidence Makgopa, Devin Titus, Oswin Napolis, Patrick Masangwanyi, Tsegofatso Mabasa, Ikram Reyners, Relebohile Mofokeng, Ashley Cupido, Thapelo Morena, Elias Mukwana, Lil Foster, Pesitau, Mihlali Ayambela. With the race for World Cup qualification heating up, Broos will be eager to fine-tune his squad and secure maximum points from these upcoming fixtures. Bafana Bafana fans will hope the team can take a step closer to securing a spot in the tournament set to be hosted by Canada, Mexico, and the United States in 2026. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.